morning, and how are you today? I hope you are fine. And today I'm Miss Vincentia Sinta Putri, and today we will discuss about adjectives. So I hope you can understand what I teach. And without any further ado, and let's get started. Okay, welcome to our grammar lesson. And today I wanna teach you about adjectives and we will start from introduction. What is adjectives, types of adjectives, function, and maybe we let's get a little practice. And the last is conclusion. So for the first is adjectives. What is adjectives? Adjectives are words that modify or describe nouns or pronouns. And adjectives tell us more about what kind, how many, or which one. For the example, in the phrase the big red apple. For the both big and red are adjectives. So, what the function? Yes, the functions to describe the noun. What's the noun? The noun is apple. And they provide more information about the noun or pronoun. Do they modify such as its size, color, shape, or state of being? Okay, before we next to the next topic, for your information, adjectives are usually placed before nouns. So yeah, the structure is adjective plus nouns. Example, a red car, a nice teacher, an old book. But sometimes it can be after to be or a linking verb, like the car is red or she looks tired, like that. Okay, next there are types of adjectives. There are five the types of adjectives. The first is descriptive adjective, quantitative adjective, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, and the last is interrogative adjective. So, for the first, there are descriptive adjective. Descriptive adjective vividly portray the qualities or characteristics of nouns to enriching our descriptions. For the example, like tall, beautiful, delicious, cold, nice, scary, and the others. The next is demonstrative adjective. These adjectives point out specific nouns and help indicate their position in space or time to providing the clarity. For the example, like this, that, these, and those. The next, there are quantitative adjectives. What is quantitative adjectives? Quantitative adjectives, these adjectives preciously specify the quantity or amount of nouns, offering numerical or comparative information. For the example, like many, few, several, or some. Next, there are possessive adjectives. What is possessive adjectives? This adjective indicate ownership or possession, establishing like relationship between nouns and their owners. For the example, like my, your, his, her, its, our, or their. And the last of the types of adjectives is interrogative adjective. These adjectives are used to ask questions about nouns or seeking clarification or information. For example, like what, which, and whose. Okay, the next topic is function of adjectives. Adjectives can function in various ways within a sentence. Maybe like describe appearance. For example, like tall, short, or pretty. For describe the feelings like happy, sad, or angry. To describe the size, shapes, and colors like big, round, or circle, or square, and purple. For describing the opinion, like we can say good or bad, interesting, and the other. And the last for the show quantity like some, many, and few. Okay, next there are little practice for you guys to describe these things using adjectives like your school, your best friend, and your favorite food. Okay, let me try the example. Maybe for the your school, we can describe like my school is big and clean like that. For the best friend, you can describe like my best friend is funny and kind like that. And your favorite food, we can describe like my favorite food is pizza because pizza has so many cheesy and so delicious like that. Okay, maybe there are that I teach you about the adjectives. And for the conclusion is adjectives are words that describe nouns or pronouns, and they tell us about the qualities, quantities, colors, size, feelings, and more. Adjectives usually come before a noun or after a linking verb. And there are different types of adjectives like descriptive, quantitative, possessive, and others. We also learn how to use comparative and superlative forms to compare things, and the adjective using help us make our sentence more interesting and detailed. Okay, maybe that's all that I can teach you today about the adjective material. I hope you can easily understand and comprehend how to use adjectives in the sentence. And thank you for watching and see you later. Bye.